Okay, so you remember yesterday how I was saying I was feeling a little bit sick? I went to the doctor today. They tried to clean my ears. They successfully managed to stop up one of my ears more than it was before, which is the exact opposite of what they were trying to do. I'm very upset about it, and I'm going to go find a different doctor to take care of it tomorrow. But in the meantime, it does make working on music a little bit difficult, and I needed to work a little bit more on marketing, so I took the opportunity today to work on that. We're gonna follow a formula today that I've seen from another producer on TikTok named Oblivion. If you haven't ever checked out Oblivion, their music is fantastic. They have this wonderful formula.
It's so hot in my house right now, but I'm gonna show you how I made the drop for everything.
And then at the end, they play the whole thing. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's not, I don't think that they came up with this formula, but it's funny because the colors of my room are kind of similar to the colors of their room, at least in that context there. So the beginning of my video, let me show you how I made the drop to my song Sunflower Seeds. Looks kind of like the beginning of their video. Just happened to be coincidental. But I put a little bit of my own twist on it as well, given that I had a lot of like empty space in the way I recorded the video. And so I decided, hey, let's use that to put some text in here. So we kind of just walk through sunflower seeds here. I like the drop of sunflower seeds a lot. I feel like this would be an easy one to market. So here, let me just show it to you. How I made the drop to my song Sunflower Seeds. Yeah. And so then it just, it fades out there at the end, and it's not that complicated of a video at all. One thing Oblivion does in their video that I think is a little bit better than what I'm doing, the playhead is centered in the screen, and then the audio is moving behind it, instead of the way you normally experience it in the DAW, where the audio sits there and the playhead moves across it. Here you can see it's like it's moving. There's more things moving on the screen, which will keep your attention a little bit better. She also used some fancy transitions between the two, which I can go and put in some transitions. That wouldn't be that hard to do. And I don't know how to make the playhead like sit in the middle like that, so I'll need to figure out how to get that done. But yeah, I think that genuinely will keep people's attention a little bit more if there's more movement and color on the screen, but not in a way that feels like I'm just trying to smash you with color. It's just like it's tasteful in a way. It feels a little bit weird to market the EP right now, where I don't have like a pre-save link, and like I don't even have like the ability to make one right now, I don't think, because it's the very, very first upload, but all those problems will be solved once it's just out there. So yeah, learning how to market ourselves here. I like what we made here, and I think maybe if it reaches the right ears, it'll help bring in a few other viewers. Who knows what'll happen. So yep, learning things here as always. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.